Good afternoon, Steve from All Star Case Breaks doing a couple boxes of Flash Football for Andrew. Good luck. Tim did too. He got a Darby and a Chubb. That was basically the box hit for both boxes. Andrew, good luck. Here we go. First up for our Tennessee Vols. Green, 3 of 15, John Kelly. Ian Thomas, base. Mike White, blue, 21 of 50. Old school, Y.A. Tittle from the 50s. And Mark Walton, gold, 1 of 1.
Kind of 1 of 1?
Yeah, 1 of 1, Mark Walton. Florida State, I think. Tittle is not numbered.
Tittle on a 1 of 1, not a bad box.
No. And box 2, good luck. Durham Smith, 31 of 50. Deontay Burnett. Mike Gesicki. Denzel Ward, purple, 15 of 25. And nice Sony Michel, or Michael, 6 of 25. Andrew, thank you very much. Let me know if you want anything else. That was Michelle, Ward, Gesicki, Burnett, Smith, Walton, 1 of 1, Tittle, White, Ian Thomas, and John Kelly, green.